Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to draw Bart Simpson. So I forgot to record me freehanding his head on camera, but right now I am just going back in and making his outline a little darker and then adding some much needed details. Next, I am drawing his body and his shirt. Next, I'm taking an orange paint and I am filling in his head and his face with a very thin striper brush. Now I'm filling in his eyes with a white paint and using that same thin striper brush. Now I'm taking my drawing pen and I'm going back over that outline, making sure it's nice and it's dark. And I'm also adding just a few more details to his face, such as his ears. Next, I'll be dotting his eyes with a dotting tool, and then I'll be creating a little sunrise in the background. And lastly, I'm just adding a little bit more depth to the ocean by just striping a little bit of white in the blue part, and then I'll be ending it with birds at the top, which I forgot to record. But here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe.